United States Air Force also uses the C-130 on weather missions. This is a WC-130, and it is widely known as the Hurricane Hunter. The crew of the WC-130 consists of a combination of weather technicians and an air crew on loan from a reconnaissance squadron. These crews have been known to fly in and out of the same hurricane for many consecutive days.
A lot of times we'll go out and fly the same hurricane 3, 4, 5 days in a row. A lot of those times you end up flying about 12 hours. You come back and land and you have 12 hours to rest and out again, same storm the next day.
In these missions, the role of the navigator becomes increasingly important because the hurricane's erratic behavior prevents any significant pre-flight preparation. Only the hurricane knows the chosen path. Once in the eye of the hurricane, the C-130 crew releases into the atmosphere a special container filled with data-gathering instruments. As the container falls, a parachute opens, slowing the container and allowing the instrument to gather information. Once the data is obtained, it is transmitted back to the weather analysis team on board the aircraft. After exiting the eye of the storm, the WC-130 heads directly back to base. During this final leg of the journey, the weather team on board radioed the information to the National Hurricane Center. The pilots and crew of the WC-130 Hurricane Hunters take many risks, but are some of the fortunate few who have seen the internal dynamics of nature's fiercest weapon.